so we're on another breakdown. We have a DAF that has no rear lights or no brake lights, one of the two, and it is done ASAP. The customer's waiting to go out, so we're on our way to Roadside, I think it is, to go and get that sorted now. First thing that we're going to check is, first of all, we need to check if it's LED lights or bulb lights. If it's bulb lights, we will check the bulbs. If it's LEDs, we'll go straight for a fuse, make sure the fuse is okay, and then for there, that's right at the very start of the system. So for there, we'll work our way back all the way down until either we find a broken wire or corroded plug, something along those lines. So just about 10 minutes away now, and we'll get there, and then we'll start checking that thing over. Get it checked. Brake lights. So therefore, we're going to go and check the junction box at the back, because I know they're pretty bad for filling up with water. So we'll check that, and then we'll check all the fuses after. Comes up here, runs along, over the top of these plugs, and it goes up forward somewhere, so we need to keep tracking that. Question, and I believe that middle plug is the one for the rear tail lights. Come off, and we can now inspect this plug. Each pin, and see if there's power coming out of that module. I'm not sure if I'll be able to video this, because as you can see, it's pretty tight for space. So I'll try my best, and we'll see if we can get this on video. Going out of that, so we must have a wee break in the wire or a corroded plug somewhere, so we need to try and track this wiring back, which will be difficult because it is extremely tight. But we'll try and get in there the best we can and see what we can find. One of them's blown, so we must be getting a power surge, but the driver's in a rush to go out, so we're just going to change the bulbs, and that means you can get back out on the road. Lights up, foot brake, yeah, indicator! Everything's working, so we're just going to put that lines back on and we'll change that side. Make sure everything's working, so the side lights are currently on. Yeah! Indicators. That side. Aye! All good! Perfect! He's got stuff to do and he wants to get home, so we've just changed the bulbs. The truck's actually due in for inspection tomorrow. So when that goes into the garage to get inspected, they can have a proper check. It's obviously getting a power surge for somewhere, and it's blowing all the bulbs at once. I don't know why it's not blowing the fuse, because technically it should blow the fuse, not the bulbs, but it's going straight to the bulbs and just attacking them. Every single one was blown there, but they're all back working them out, and he's away out to go and complete his day, and I need to go and buy some new bulbs, because that has nearly cleared me out. But aye, that's sometimes the sort of roadside job that you don't always get right to the bottom of it. You have to sometimes just do what you can to get him back out on the road so they can complete their day, and then it can get seen to at a later point. But that's him, he's all done, all the lights are working, he's away to finish his day, and mine's has only just begun. Just go and update the customer, let them know the script so they can let their workshop know in the morning, and then we'll do our job sheet and get on to our next one for the day.